In this video, I'm going to show you best way to get gems in Brawl Stars for free to play players. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now the free method to earn gems, even if you do not purchase the Brawl Pass, all players get access to the free track. And every season this free track offers an approximately 90 gems in total. Here is how to obtain this pass. Be active daily and complete all of your quests. Make sure you finish the track before the season ends. Try focusing on the season quests for bigger XP boosts, special events and challenges. And once in a while, Supercell introduces challenges within the game, for example like the Lunar New Year Challenge or the World Finals Challenge. Hence, completing all these stages might reward players with gems and other premium content. As always, thank you for watching.